About information, good morning. Helicopter Golf Hotel Victor Romeo Zulu, 1 on board at pad 1. Looking for engine and rotor start and visual with the helimed operative under the helimed.
Helicopter Golf Hotel Victor Romeo Zulu, Barton information, confirm destination.
Go to Liverpool.
Sorry, confirm that was Liverpool.
Say again?
Just confirm that was Liverpool.
AFM Liverpool.
Helicopter Romeo Zulu, Roger Runway 26 left, circuit right hand, me QNH 1029, squawk 7365.
26 left right hand, I think that was 1029 and 7365. Golf Romeo Zulu.
Helicopter Romeo Zulu, start at your discretion.
Romeo Zulu, thanks. Line up, guys!
Golf Echo Romeo changing to water radar 125.530.
Golf Echo Romeo, squawk on security, boy.
Squawk on security, bye, Golf Echo Romeo.
Hello again, Helicopter Romeo Zulu is looking for lift, taxi and departure.
Golf Tango Zulu, runway 26 left, surface wind 260 degrees, 2 knots, take off at your discretion.
Taking off 26 left, Golf Tango Zulu.
Helicopter Romeo Zulu, share taxi Delta 1.
Taxi Delta 1, Romeo Zulu. So lifting now.
Golf India Lima, just approaching Wigan Lake. Request frequency change to Liverpool radar on 119.855.
Checking T's and P's, no warning lights.
Thank you very much, bye.
Rolls are good. Just coming up to Delta 1 now for hold. Can't see anything on the approach. Please say that there isn't anything on the approach, just means to say I can't see anything on the approach. Romeo Zulu holding Delta 1 ready.
Helicopter Romeo Zulu, runway 26 left, surface wind is 230 degrees, 3 knots, take off at your discretion.
Thanks for that, enter now via Delta 1, Romeo Zulu.
Charlie Bravo, downwind, touch and go.
Offshore Bravo, port final.
Wilco Golf Charlie Bravo. Barton, please 151.
Please 151, Barton information, good morning, first message.
Good morning, EC352 on board, out of Barton, we've just been doing some approaches near Warton, we're currently Standish, inbound for join, 1400 feet, 1029.
Please 151, runway 26 left, circuit right hand, QFE is 1027, squawk, disregard the squawk.
For 26, 1027, 151.
Heat on.
Traffic inbound, please helicopter left 44 miles west of New Brook, 1,400 feet just now. Golf Tango Zulu, basic service.
Basic service, Golf Tango Zulu.
Helicopter Romeo Zulu, northwest traffic to set if you wish to make an early call to Liverpool.
Yeah, thanks for that. We're going to go to Liverpool 119855. Should be back in a couple of hours. Thanks, guys.
Roger, see you later.
Control is closed. All departing aircraft contact Liverpool Tower on 126.355. Surface wind 190, 3 knots, varying between 140 and 210 degrees. Cavo test. Temperature +7, dew point +5. QNH 10 Information Oscar and advise aircraft type on first contact. This is Liverpool Information Oscar. Time 0950 hours. Runway in use 27.
That's what I needed. Runway in use 27. Liverpool can go on. We'll just get a little bit nearer. And a little bit higher. Liverpool radar, good morning. Helicopter Golf Hotel Victor Romeo Zulu with Oscar for zone entry.
Golf Hotel Victor Romeo Zulu, Liverpool radar, good morning.
Morning, sir. EC120 helicopter out of Manchester Barton, inbound to yourself. Just entering the eastern edge of the low-level corridor. Tracking currently towards Barton Wood and looking for entry there, and we're inbound to yourself.
Golf Romeo Zulu, what's basic service outside control there, please? 281029.
Basic service outside 1029, Romeo Zulu.
Golf Hotel Victor Romeo Zulu, safe to enter the full control there, please. Then Barton Wood, not above altitude, 2,000 feet, VFR, 5050.
Thanks for that, clear to enter, not above 2,000 feet VFR, and I think that was 5050 confirmed.
Golf Romeo Zulu, 8M 5050.
Thanks, sir. That's going on the box now. The 5050 is on the squawk. We're clear to enter, not above 2,000 feet at Barton Wood. We're currently at 900 feet. I don't really need to go much higher, so I probably won't. They're on 27, which is useful. And we should be there in about 5 minutes. Oh, 5 or 10.
Golf Romeo Zulu, just confirming you're booked in to arrive at Liverpool today. Where are you parking?
A-firm, we're booked in with Raven Air, and we'll be parking on Keeler.
Golf Romeo Zulu, roger.
The 5050 is on the box, now just coming up to the western edge of, well, it's not the low-level route anymore, it's now called the Northwest Transit Corridor for some reason, probably because they don't want to make suggestions that low level is in some way acceptable. That's the M62 there, which I drive up regularly to get to Liverpool, to get to the plane. Now, if I was a betting man, it's going to be Tarbuck roundabout and then Jaguar, or it might even just be towards Jaguar. And we'll stick with the tower.
Golf Romeo Zulu, is that you at Barton Wood?
Hey, firm, sir, just entered Romeo Zulu.
Golf Romeo Zulu, roger, radar control, route to right base, runway 27, 40 airfield in sight.
Thanks, sir. Radar control service and clear towards right base and report airfield will go. Romeo Zulu. Just bang the tower on 126355. We'll just get past the B&M Bargains building and then we'll cut a left towards right base. Helicopter Romeo Zulu has the field in sight.
Golf Romeo Zulu, roger, contact Liverpool Tower 126.355 today.
Thanks, sir, 26355 Romeo Zulu. Liverpool Tower, good morning. Helicopter Golf Hotel Victor Romeo Zulu is with you, routing right base for 27.
Golf Hotel Victor Romeo Zulu, Liverpool Tower, good morning. Report right base, runway 27.
Okay, ma'am. Golf Romeo Zulu. T's and P's are all looking good, speed is good, height is 800 feet, which is absolutely fine, and going to route towards the northern edge, northeastern edge.
Today, Liverpool, Ryanair 5049er, stand
which will position us nicely for right base.
Ryanair 5049, Roger, hold on stand, I'll call you back shortly for push, you've got company behind you.
Full position, Ryanair 5049er.
Connect 3209, request taxi.
Connect 3209, taxi holding point Alpha 1, runway 27 via Victor and Alpha, QNH 1029er.
Taxi Alpha 1, runway 27 via Victor Alpha, QNH 1029, connect 3209.
I've got the tower there in the distance. Helicopter Romeo Zulu is just becoming right base for 27.
All from Zulu, Roger, number 1, report final, runway 27.
Report final, Wilco, Romeo Zulu. Nothing on the approach that I can see. There's the good old Runcorn Bridge. And to the west of that, correction, to the east of that is the new Runcorn Bridge. I think we can cut a little corner here. Helicopter Romeo Zulu, correction, Romeo Zulu is just becoming final 27.
Golf Romeo Zulu, surface wind 220 degrees, 5 knots, runway 27, clear to land.
Clear to land, Golf Romeo Zulu. And there she is. And we'll probably vacate at Golf and then straight on to Kilo. And can see there is an aircraft taxiing up Alpha at the moment towards the hold 7, Alpha 1. Two reds and two whites. Nice profile there.
QNH 1029.
Ryanair 4 Charlie Kilo, taxi holding point Alpha 1, runway 27 via Uniform and Alpha, QNH 1029er.
Holding point Alpha 1, runway 27 via Uniform and Alpha, Ryanair 4 Charlie Kilo.
Golf from Zulu, vacate right at Golf, taxi Kilo via Alpha.
Right to Golf and taxi to Kilo via Alpha. Thanks for Zulu.
Next 3209, ready for departure.
Connect 3209, Roger. Ryanair 5049, stand 6, push and start approved, push aircraft to face east, information Oscar.
Push and start approved, face east, information Oscar, Ryanair 5049er.
Oh, and it looks like November 27 Romeo Juliet is over at Skyport already.
Channel X3209, have an amendment T clearance if you're ready to copy.
Ready to copy, Channel X3209.
Channel X3209, hold position. After departure, runway 27, climb straight ahead to maintain altitude 4,000 feet.
Hold position, and after departure, climb straight ahead to maintain 4,000 feet, Channel X3209.
Channel X3209, correct, confirm, still ready for departure.
Affirm, ready for departure, Channel X3209.
Channel X3209, roger, surface wind 230 degrees, 5 knots, runway 27, clear for takeoff.
Clear for takeoff, runway 27, Channel X3209.
Below 150 degrees, we can rotor brake. I tend to leave 400.
Charlie Foxtrot Yankee Lima Delta Liverpool Tower, I did try to call you. Your flight plan has dropped out of the system because the off blocks was 0930. Would you like us to put it back in for you? Are you going to speak to company to do it? Charlie Lima Delta, Roger, would you like us to put it in for off blocks of 1030 perhaps?
That can go, that can go, that